In this video, we will review the authentication settings in Smart Device Connector. Scroll to and select the Ricoh Connector app in your smart device. Scroll to MFP Printer and select Authentication. From this screen, you can input the user code for print information if user authentication is disabled. Note: if no authentication is used, do not check Enable for user authentication. Leave user code for print blank. Otherwise, you may receive an error, unable to authenticate. Enable user authentication if a username and password are to be used. Then input the username and password.